Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Excel. So first thing is just simply go to your Excel. Now from here, let's say I want to merge the cell over here. So now in order for you to merge the cell, just simply select a specific cell, and now you will have the merge button over here. So you will have the drop down over here, which you could have merge and center. You will have merge across. You will have merge cells, and you will have unmerge cells. So for this, we could go for merge cells or merge and center. I'm gonna do that. And from here, we should be able to merge a cell. So pretty much over here, this button will help you merge and unmerge the cells. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.